Okay, so this video, I want to talk about what are the disadvantages of losing weight. What do I regret? What do I wish I had done differently? Well, my main regret is I wish I'd done it earlier. I feel like I feel like fear kept me from making the decision. It kept me from, making the choice to do the surgery. And I just wish I had done it earlier. I just wish I had taken the plunge because in retrospect, it worked out so well. Yeah, I wish I'd done that earlier. Secondly, the clothes, oh my goodness. I had to lose a lot of my wardrobe. But for a number of things that I liked, I just got a seamstress near me who could alter the clothes and take them in. So this lady is really excellent, and I would take to her my dresses, like 20, 50, 30 dresses, and then she would just tailor them to fit the new me. And she's done that twice actually. She did it when I lost the first maybe like 40 kgs. When I was about 105 kgs, I had my clothes tailored. And then I took them back again sometime this year for her to do it again. So I'm still wearing some of the same clothes I wore at 140 kgs, just taken in. And of course, I got to buy a few new things, but I'm not yet at my goal weight, so I haven't yet done that huge shop, that big shopping haul that I'm anticipating. But maybe at the end of next year or, in another year or two, I probably will. But for now, it helps to have like clothes for work and stuff that, I feel like shopping is such an investment of time, energy, money, and I didn't want to do that all from scratch. So yes, I wish I'd done it sooner. You have to lose your clothes. You have some loose skin. I've already talked about this. It's inevitable. Like, you can't lose that much weight and not have loose skin. But the loose skin, I feel like I hide it to some extent on my tummy, on my arms. And I'm thinking maybe I'll get it done. Maybe I'll, have it cut off when I reach my goal weight. Then losing my chubby face, my cute chikazi face. There's that, I don't know guys, there's a vibe, there's a chikazi vibe that I had just made peace with. I was like, this is who I am, this is my identity, and it's okay. And I'm that chick, I'm that plus size chick who looks nice. And losing that, it does a thing mentally. But it's okay. I accepted it. And finally, I look younger. Guys, it's strange because at the same time I look older. I feel like when you lose weight in your face, you get a few more wrinkles. So I feel like I have a bit more, my face is a little bit, like you feel like you get a little bit more wrinkles than you had before. But at the same time, I appear younger because I'm smaller. And now at work, this is a real problem because remember, I'm a surgeon. So when you see me, most likely you are a person who has cancer and who needs surgery. And I am this stranger who's trying to convince you that one, you need surgery, and two, I'm the person to do it. So me appearing young and slay queenish is not working in my favor. Do you get it? Like, the older and more grounded I seem, patients seem to take that better. So, I still do my job because I'm still me, and I feel like my honesty and my professionalism still shines through when I see patients. But I do get those comments of, yes, a lot more than I did before. And please make no mistake, I still got those comments before because one, you're female, two, even when you're plus size, you still look a bit young, and even earlier on in my career. So I've been a surgeon for 10 years, I've been a doctor for 15 years, but maybe it doesn't show as much. Recently, I had a hilarious conversation with some of my students. So I was telling them about how it's 10 years since I finished my master's in surgery. And they were like, oh my goodness, what? They were also shocked. And they were shocked that I was turning 40 next year. And I don't know why I was so surprised by that. I mean, I feel like I look 40. So I think there's something that the weight loss does that makes you look a little bit younger. And in a professional setting, it's not the best thing. But personally, I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind having a few years shaved off. I'm not one of those people who's like, I'm not going to grow old. I know I'm going to grow old. It's a privilege to grow old. It doesn't bother me, but yeah, so if I had to look for any disadvantages, that is it. Those are my disadvantages.